Hey, what's up guys? In this video we'll be taking a look at the latest launched MIUI 12 in the China. The beta ROM for the MIUI 12 is available for download and flash. You have to just flash TWRP recovery on your Android, and the list of all the available devices will be linked in the description. So let's get started. So as we know, the MIUI always updates its UI after 2 years. So since the MIUI 10 launched, the 2 years has been passed. Though MIUI 11 has not brought us so many changes in the UI. So MIUI 12 will be the UI which will give us so many changes in the UI. The total my device, the information of your MIUI version and other stuff present on your Android device is totally revamped, and the battery and performance and other tab the passwords and security is also changed. Also in the SIM card, mobile and networks, the total UI has been revamped. So the main attraction of this MIUI 12 update will be its control center, or the drop down menu. This drop down menu is similar to the iOS drop down menu, or the control center. This MIUI control center has so many toggles available in it, and you can expand the toggle, and you can toggle through the different apps available in the control center. Also, this control center brings us new animations and the color scheme in the control center or drop down menu. And the total notification panel will be shifted to the left, so you have to swipe down from the left side for the notification panel, and swipe down from the right side for control center. Also you can switch back to the MIUI 10 drop down menu, which is a default MIUI drop down menu. Now moving on the live wallpapers, so there are only 2 live wallpapers now available on this update. There will be more wallpapers added later on. So these are totally new and very beautiful wallpapers on the MIUI 12. So they switch between the lock screen, home screen, and back to the always on display. Now it is the weather app which has totally revamped and has a new animation and totally new UI. So the weather application now changes its UI to the according to the weather. So the next thing will be the picture-in-picture mode. So you can use so many applications, literally any of the application in the picture-in-picture mode. So you can switch their size, and you can use any of the applications like social media application like Instagram, and all the application has support for this picture-in-picture mode. So you can switch them into picture-in-picture mode or full screen application. Also we have the new dark mode, which is called dark mode 2.0. So in this dark mode, the total applications will be forcefully converted into a dark mode, and you can switch this on and off, and ultra dark mode will be available in this update later on. So this is MIUI 12 launched in the China, and you can now download this MIUI ROM for your Android. The list of all the Android devices which have got this update in China will be listed after this video, and you can download the ROM for your device if your device is present in that list. So this is a Chinese beta ROM of MIUI 12 available to download. So download and install this ROM on your own risk. So there are too many bugs and the other things available in this ROM. So make sure that you should back up your stable ROM, and also the links of this ROM will be in the description. And also I'll be downloading this ROM for my Redmi Note 7 Pro and installing this on my device, and the total UI changes and all the other things and update will be explained in that video. So for that you have to subscribe to my channel, and just press the bell icon, and stay tuned. The total review of MIUI 12 on my Redmi Note 7 Pro will be coming soon. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.